No way! Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC, and we're going to run the M700 Mono. This is a 27.5 inch or 700 millimeters long hull. It's my own design. I sell it as a lasercut kit, and it's an absolute blast to run. We have a 4S setup over here with a 3674 2200 kV motor. This is a 4S 5000 milliamp hour battery, and we are going to run it with a 42 1.9 pitch prop. So I'm very curious how this prop will perform on this boat. I've never run it with this prop yet. My Wild thing with this prop ran very nice. It's like a basher prop, you could say. It was not ultimately fast, but let's see how she will perform on the M700. So if you're interested in buying a kit, I sell it through Facebook, or you can leave me a message below the video and I will try to get in contact with you. I ship it worldwide, and I provide you a recommended parts list as well, so I will get you going. It also comes with an assembly drawing, and it's basically a high quality kit, and it's a fast hull as well. So, and it's fun to build. All right, start the GPS. Stop. Read. Okay, start again. Yeah. All right. Get you zoomed in. Yeah, this is just a fun boat. Oh, no way! All right, we got it. Let's go again. Oh man, I recognize the behavior of this prop from my Wild thing. It makes the hull run very loose, and yeah, steering is awesome. Oh, wow. It's running a little bit too loose now. Oh, I think the tape came loose a little bit. Let's take a look. Yes. So yeah, now the hull is running a little bit too loose, to my liking. But wow, just so much fun. Okay, let's check the speed. I guess it's about 72, 73 kilometers an hour. Okay, come on here. Yeah, stop. Stop. Come on, read. Come on. Taking his time. Read. Oh yes, 72. That's exactly what I thought. Nice. Start. So yeah, this is a great basher prop. Not the greatest speed, but it runs very smooth. Oh no, no, no! Ah! Again, no way. So actually I can run it to the shore just using the prop thrust in the air. There we go. So I got a lot of you guys asking, why don't you put self-righting, or why don't you put a flat chamber, or why is it not self-righting? Well, this is the reason. You can just rescue it like driving it upside down. Okay, there we go. Full throttle launch. Nice. So for the next lipo, I will put the lipo a little bit more backwards, and then we're going to run a 4416 prop, which should be pretty fast. Alright, the lipo is drained. Let's quit it. Yeah, I love it. It ran great. Let's see the temperatures. All right. So next lipo, I will install the 4416 prop, and you will notice that it will run totally different, much faster. Last time I got 87 kilometers an hour with that prop. So compared to 72, it's a big difference. Let's see what we got in the second part of the run. Stop, read, if it wants to read. Read 69, not bad. Okay, let's see the temperatures on the motor. Motor is 30, 29, 27, ESC 28, capacitors 36. How about the wires? 32, 33, nice. The lipo 43, 44, nice. Okay, so I'm going to switch up the lipo, and then also we are going to switch the prop to the 4416, and then we're going to give it a second trip. Alright, we're going to run with the 4416 prop, and we are going to try to get a GPS reading, but I must say the battery is almost drained, so let's go for a quick rip and then check the speed. I put the lipo more forward to keep the nose down. Get you zoomed in here. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Yeah, as I said, totally different running compared to the 4219 prop. Okay, let's do one more sprint. Wow, beautiful. Let's check the speed. Okay, going to get the GPS. Say stop. Come on, stop. Read 52. Ah, too bad. Start. Okay, let's try another sprint. Yeah, the GPS is almost empty. I should have charged it, but I didn't. Okay. Hopefully it will read. Let's see if it reads. Okay, stop. Stop. Read. 44. Ah, too bad. Okay. Of course it went faster, but the GPS is just too empty to have a good reading. Alright. Let's just run it. Yeah, this is a great speedrun prop. I actually ran the same prop on my Psycho Cat just before I started to run the M700. Wow, almost flipped it there. Wow. Wow. All right. Let's bring it to the shore. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty surprising how much you can change the running behavior of your boat with a prop. Last time with this prop I got 89 kilometers an hour, which is 50 56 miles an hour, I think. And with the 4219 Besher prop, we only got, oh yeah, it's turned off. With the 4219 prop we only got 72, so that's a pretty big difference. Let's check the temperature on the motor. Wow, the motor is absolutely cool, yeah. 40 degrees, and the LiPo is 32, 33. So that means, or it looks like, that this setup with the 44 prop is less of a strain on the drive system, on the hardware, than the 4219 prop, even though this is much faster. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time with a charged GPS. Bye!